Hello, wonderful learners. I'm welcoming you again to this online learning platform called Colanet Africa, where we are shaping your tomorrow. Today, we shall discuss a Form 4 topic in biology, that is Chapter 3, and the title is Reception, Response, and Coordination in Plants and Animals. And I'm your instructor, Sheila Kosgei. Under this topic of reception, response, and coordination in plants and animals, we will cover the following subtopics. Definition of terms like irritability, stimulus, response, receptors, and effectors, among other terms. We shall also discuss the response to a variety of stimuli like tactic responses, tropic responses, and also nastic responses. We will look at reception and response and coordination in plants. We shall also discuss reception, response, and coordination in animals. We shall discuss the central nervous system, that is, the component of the central nervous system, and even the functions of those components of the central nervous system. We shall discuss the endocrine system, which is also called the hormonal system in human beings. Remember, human beings rely on a number of hormones for various functions of the human body. We shall discuss the effects of drug abuse on human health. We shall discuss the human eye, that is, the functions of various parts of the human eye, the defects of the human eye, and how to correct them. We shall also discuss the human ear, functions of different parts of the human ear, the defects, as well as how to correct those defects that affect the human ear. Let us move to objectives. By the end of this topic, the learner should be able to, first, define terms like irritability, stimulus, and response, and also receptors as well as effectors. The learner should also be able to explain differences between tactic and tropic responses as well as their survival values. The learner also should be able to explain the production of plant growth hormones and their effects on tropism, what we call growth responses, and the main hormone here is called auxin. We shall discuss them in detail. The learner should also be able to explain the structure of the mammalian nervous system to its functions. By the end of this topic, the learner should be able to distinguish between simple and conditioned reflex actions. Moreover, the learner should be able to explain the role of endocrine system in human beings. Also, to state the effects of drug abuse on the human health. Again, relate the structure and the function of the human ear and the eye. Finally, explain the defects of the eye as well as the ear and their corrections. Let us go to introduction. I will keep on reminding students that wrong spelling is always penalized in biology. So you need to be extra keen. Always understand the question before attempting. In this lesson, do not just sit. Have a pen and an exercise book to note down important points. You may pause or replay this video for clarity where necessary. The concepts of this topic are always examined either in KCSE Biology Paper 1 or Paper 2. These are theory papers carrying 80 marks. Do not forget to learn a new concept every day. It will boost your understanding. Remember that if you cannot fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you are doing, just keep moving forward, said Martin Luther King Jr. Keep moving forward. Do not look backwards, students. Thank you and have a nice time. Let us meet in our next or in the first lesson of this topic.